Hey guys, check out this problem.
This is a level 1 statistics problem, and it's testing your understanding and application of the definition of the median. The median is defined as the middle number in terms of value in a set of numbers. That means for a set with an odd number of elements, the median is always going to be the middle element's value. On a set with an even number of elements, what we have to do is average the two values that are closest to the middle, because there is no middle because it's an even number of elements. In this case, the median for list 1 is the average of the two central numbers, which are 6 and 8, and that of course is 7. The median of list 2 then needs to be equal to 7. That's what they're asking for. And they throw up a little trick here because they show you list 2 as x 3, 6, 8, 19, making you think that this set is in order and x must be less than 3. But that's not true. The median doesn't change depending on the order of the set. So this is designed to test your understanding and also possibly confuse you and waste a little bit of time. If we need the median of list 2 to be 7, and it's an odd number of elements in the set, that means we actually need one of the elements to be 7. Since none of the other 4 elements are 7, 3, 6, 8, or 19, x must be the 7 here. And so our answer is B.
I hope this helped, and I look forward to seeing you guys again real soon.